Moving can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. If you're looking for reliable, full-service movers in Lancaster, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of hiring a full-service moving company and how 3 Movers can help make your move seamless and stress-free. Let's get started. Why choose full-service movers? Well, we save you time, energy, and stress. Our team handles everything, from packing your items securely to unloading them safely at your new home. No heavy lifting, no worrying about fragile items. We take care of it all. And don't worry about your furniture. Our team specializes in disassembling and reassembling furniture, making sure everything fits perfectly in your new space. We also offer electronics boxing, ensuring your devices, TVs, and computers are safe during the move. We know how important these items are, and we'll pack them securely so they arrive at your new home in perfect condition. Our moving services include: we provide everything you need for a hassle-free move. Now let's talk about cost. The price of your move depends on factors like the distance and size of your belongings. For longer distances and larger items, expect higher costs. But no worries. At 3 Movers, we work with you to stay within your budget and give you an accurate estimate with no hidden fees. Wondering how long the move will take? For a small apartment, packing can usually take around 2-4 hours. For larger homes, it might take a little longer, but don't worry, our team is efficient and organized, so we'll get you settled in your new home as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who's planning a move. 3 Movers is your trusted partner in Lancaster for a smooth, full-service moving experience. We'll see you at your new home.